Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's, and today I'm going to show you how to make delicious Greek Spanakopita. The first thing we need to do is make that filling. We're going to start with some Heinen's frozen spinach. We want to drain it completely and squeeze out any excess juice. Add it to a large bowl along with some fresh chopped parsley and fresh chopped dill. The next thing we're going to do is add in some garlic, some yellow onions, some eggs, and then I'm going to add on some crumbled feta cheese. Season it up very well with salt and pepper. Then, using a whisk, completely mix this together until it is combined and smooth, just like this. Next, we're going to set it to the side. I have a 13 by 9 casserole dish that's been sprayed with nonstick spray. What we want to do is layer in some phyllo dough that's been frozen and thawed. We're going to start by adding in a few sheets of phyllo dough, and then what we want to do is drizzle on a little bit of olive oil and brush it on there. Now, the goal for this bottom layer is to add about 2/3 of the total phyllo dough that we've thawed out. So after 3 or 4 layers, again, repeat the process with some more olive oil. Once you've used about 2/3, we are going to next add in our spinach mixture. And what you want to do is, using a rubber spatula, smooth it out and flatten it out. Now, with the remaining 1/3 of phyllo dough, we are going to add that to the top. And don't worry if it crinkles up a little bit or looks a little bit out of shape. It will bake perfectly fine. We are going to do the same thing with all those different layers with olive oil and 3 to 4 sheets of phyllo dough until all of it has been used up. Now, at this point, you want to take a knife and pre-cut some squares without going through the spinach filling. We're next going to bake it at 350 degrees for about 60 minutes or until the top is golden brown and crispy. Let's pull it out. You can see all those delicious ingredients in there. And this, my friends, is an amazing meal to serve up.